Alright, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to get Rage plugin hook for GTA V mods. The Rage plugin hook website is down, so I'm going to show you where to get that. Make sure you drop a like. Let me know if you have any issues. Check out my other videos on how to reset your mod folder, delete all mods, and so on and so forth. Let's get into it. Since the website is down, we're going to type in LSPDFR, and we're going to go to the home page. We're going to go download LSPDFR. We're going to go to download this file, green download, and then you're going to make sure to do the manual install. Alright, once that's done downloading, go to your downloads folder, and it's going to be locked. You're going to have to extract it. You right click, hit extract or unzip. There's the unlocked folder. We're going to get rid of the original one. Now, you're going to go to this PC, right click, open new window, and then we're going to go to Program Files 86, down to Steam, or wherever your GTA 5 is installed, Steam Apps, Common, and we're going to open the Grand Theft Auto 5 folder. Now, you shouldn't have Rage plugin hook in here, obviously, because you don't have it downloaded yet. We are going to take everything in here except for these folders, and we are going to drag them into our Grand Theft Auto folder. Place the files. Once you do that, you're going to see Rage plugin hook inside your GTA V folder. You're going to go ahead and click on it and start it up and get it downloaded. Alright, once you get to this page, you're going to choose what console key you want to open, and then you're going to go to plugins, and I want you to load all plugins on startup. Alright, now go to save and launch, and from there it will launch the game with Rage plugin hook. Make sure you guys drop a like on this video. Let me know if you have any problems.